Need a fast, highly accurate way to turn your audio and video files into text in 2026? Today we are looking at Verbit, an AI-powered transcription and captioning platform built for professional and high-stakes industries. Unlike basic, generic speech-to-text tools, Verbit is specifically designed for sectors like legal, higher education, media, and corporate meetings. To get started, you simply head over to verbit.ai. The platform is built to fit right into your existing workflows, connecting directly with the communication and case management systems you already use. Once you upload your media or connect your live feed, Verbit uses its advanced AI to generate transcripts, captioning, and even translations in over 50 languages. For live events, classrooms, or depositions, they use a feature called Captivate to deliver real-time, scalable captions. Plus, it doesn't just stop at a wall of text. Verbit also gives you AI-powered summaries and search tools to help you quickly find and reuse your content. Now let's talk about pros and cons. On the positive side, Verbit is trusted by over 3,000 leading organizations because it prioritizes strict security and compliance, meeting standards like the ADA, FCC, and legal mandates. It also offers dedicated support to keep your projects running smoothly. For the cons, we want to be completely transparent. We don't have access to a pool of independent user reviews for Verbit today, so we can't share common user complaints or praise. However, because it is highly specialized for enterprise, legal, and educational institutions, it might be more robust and potentially more complex than what a casual creator needs for basic video editing. Overall, if you need a secure, compliant, and highly accurate transcription solution that handles specialized terminology, Verbit is an incredibly powerful tool to try. Head over to verbit.ai to explore their solutions. If you found this quick guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech walkthroughs, and let us know in the comments how you plan to use AI transcription this year.